أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم به أستعين في جميع الأمور اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد كما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Blessed Eid Miladul Nabi greetings to global Muslims and advanced Christmas greetings to all residents of our planet, from Dr. Mufadal Mirza, leading the project of building SAMS Wheel of Life Farm School in the center of 110 home solar roof communities in global farms, coal mines, and university campuses. I've acquired my basic education in St. Paul's, got my high school from Ship Honors College, acquired bachelor's in engineering from Dawood University of Engineering and Technology, got my master's in chemical engineering from Wayne State University, acquired PhD in food science from University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, did some postdoctoral work in University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, and taught business process re-engineering and total quality management in Institute of Business Management as Associate Professor of Industrial Engineering and Management, and all students, alumni, and colleagues in all these educational institutions will be eligible to own a solar roof home in 1,000 days by simply donating 10 pure gold coins, which is equivalent to 20 Canadian dollars, to Empowering Poor Through Waste Transformation, a social enterprise led by Dr. Paul Olivier. So welcome aboard. Let us collectively eliminate COVID-19 from our planet and initiate the total quality life in inflation-free manner in SAMS Aligarh Muslim Tijarat University Climate Smart Campus Towns, which we will build in the diplomatic enclaves of the Southern Cherokee Nation, Red Fire people, and in global coal mines, farms, and all available sites, those sites which nobody touches, and we will build something over there. And basically all the slums which you will find in all major cities of our world, we will convert those slums into our SAMS Aligarh Muslim Tijarat University Climate Smart Campus Town, so that all the waste is eliminated and people can enjoy clean, total quality life. Pass on this message to everyone and just donate 10 PGC to initiate this journey of total quality tayyib entrepreneurship. My name is Dr. Mufadal Mirza. As I introduce myself, my WhatsApp number is 92333-228-3257, and schedule a session like this to solve your individual, family, and business problems. Shukran jazila for your time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala Sayyidina Muhammadin ما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.